students, welcome to my channel again. Hope you all are doing well, studying hard, enjoying your life. Today we are going to study the properties of the number. Today we will study the commutative properties of the number. So without wasting our time, let's go to the study of the commutative properties of the numbers, like the whole numbers, natural numbers and the integers. Before starting the property of commutative property of the numbers, let's take a quick recap of these numbers. Let's take the natural number. What is a natural number? Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinite. Similarly, what is a whole number? Whole numbers are starting from 1 to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to the infinite. The difference is only 0 has been included in the natural number to make it a whole number. Then we come to the integers. And what are these integers? Integers are also whole numbers. Only thing, negative numbers like number 10, number 9, number 8, number 7, number 6, number 5 and so on. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the integers. Integers include both the negative, 0 and positive numbers. Now let us go and study about the properties of the number. So today we are studying commutative property of numbers. Before going into the detail of the commutative property of number, let us understand the meaning of the word this commutative. What does this commutative word means in English? This word has come from the word commute. What does commute means? It is known as a change of place. So we will check it on the different operations of mathematics like the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, how if we change the place of the number, how the result changes. If the result changes, it means our number is not commutative for this particular operation like subtraction and division. So let us take first the addition, and to understand it clearly, let us take the two whole numbers, very simple number. Let us take the 5 and 8, the two whole number, and check it. 5 and 8, and we add together 5 and 8, the number comes 13. And now again, after changing the place of number, we check the result, check the answer again. So now let us take the 8 into the first column and 5 into the next block, and the number comes again, the number is 13. So we have seen there is no change in the result of these two numbers even if we change the place of the number. So we can say addition, whole numbers are, we can say whole numbers are commutative under addition. Again we check this for subtraction, and we take the same number to understand it. Let us take the example of 5 minus 8, and again change the place, 8 minus 5. We see the two different results. In first case we get minus 3 as a result, and in second case we see 3 as a result. So we have seen once we commute the number in subtraction, the result changes. So we can say that whole numbers are not commutative under subtraction. And again let us check it for multiplication. In multiplication, what we see, we multiply 5 to 8, we get the result 40. Again we change the place, we multiply 8 to 5, we change the place, we take the 8 at the first place and 5 at the second place, so the result comes 40. In this case we have seen the result is not changing, the same result we are getting, multiplying 5 to 8, 8 to 5. So here we can say that whole numbers are whole numbers are commutative under multiplication. So we have understood the whole numbers under addition, subtraction and multiplication. Let us come to the division part. Let us take 5 divided by 8. Let us take a number 5 divided by 8. It comes 5 by 8. And now we change the place, we commute the number 8 divided by 5 and the number comes 8 by 5. So we get a different result in case of we commute the numbers from one place to another place. So we can say the whole numbers are not commutative under division. So we have taken the division part also. So all the 4 operations we have understood. What is the commutative properties of the number under addition, subtraction, multiplication and the division. And we have found the result that in case of addition, even if we commute the number, the result is not changing. The same answer we are getting, adding 5 to 8, 5 plus 8 or 8 plus 5. We are getting the same answer, 13 and 13. So we can say the commutative whole numbers are commutative under addition. But in case of subtraction, if we change the place, 5 minus 8 gives minus 3 and 8 minus 5 gives us plus 3. So we can say that in 2 different scenarios we get 2 different results. So we can say the whole numbers are not commutative under subtraction. But in case of multiplication, even if we change the place, commute the numbers 5 into 8, 8 into 5, we get the same result. So we can say whole numbers are commutative under multiplication. In case of division, we have again seen the 5 divided by 8 is not same to the 8 divided by 5. So we can say the whole numbers are not commutative under division. Now let us go for the integers. We have understood the whole numbers and natural numbers are the same number. As you know, only 0 has been added, so properties will come same on these two numbers. So let us take it for the integers. In case of integers, we can take the both positive and negative number. So in case of integers also, we get the same result. Subtraction will be different, division will be different for integers if we commute the numbers from one place to another place. So in case of integers also, we get the same result, like integers are commutative under addition, integers are not commutative under subtraction, integers are commutative under multiplication, and integers are not commutative under division. So this is all about the commutative properties of the divisions. And we have 2 more numbers that class 10th up to class 10th student required to study. These are rational number and the irrational number. So we will go for that in latter cases. Up to class 7th, you have to study only these 3 numbers, like whole numbers, natural number and integers. So 3 numbers. And in the latter class we will go for the other numbers like the rational number. Before going into the class, we will understand the first what is a rational number and irrational number, then we will go for the different properties. Now we have 2 more properties that we have to study. In my next session I will be coming with the 2 more properties, like associative property and the properties, and one more is distributive properties. So so I think you have thoroughly understood this understood the commutative properties of the natural number, whole number, and integers. Students, I hope now you have thoroughly understood the commutative properties of these numbers, whole numbers, natural numbers, and the integers. So now I am taking off from you. For the next class, I will be coming in a day 1 or 2 to come, that I will study you. I will make you understand 2 more properties, associative properties and distributive properties. Don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you will be getting all my classes, in which I will try to easiest way. I will give you the easiest way to understand these things about the mathematics. But don't go away right now. I have got a very beautiful song by Dr. Patni, so listen to it and enjoy it. Okay, thank you very much.
अगर कोई कर सकता है तो मैं क्यों नहीं, क्या है उनमें ऐसा जो मुझ में नहीं। अगर कोई कर सकता है तो मैं क्यों नहीं, क्या है उनमें ऐसा जो मुझ में नहीं। झांक ले अपने भीतर, खुद से आ पूछ ले, कैसी चाहिए जिंदगी, खुली आंखों से देख ले। मुट्ठियों को भींच गए, सांसों को खींच गए, मुट्ठियों को भींच गए, सांसों को खींच गए। सबसे टकराने को, शिखर पर जाने को मैं तैयार हूँ, मैं तैयार हूँ, मैं तैयार हूँ, मैं तैयार हूँ। कैसी भी मेरे हौसलों से कम है, अंधेरों को चीर देंगे इतना दम है। मुश्किलें हो कैसी भी मेरे हौसलों से कम है, अंधेरों को चीर देंगे इतना दम है। आओ हाथ बढ़ाए, कुछ करके दिखाना है, सारे बहानों को आज से आग लगाना है। मुट्ठियों को भींच गए, सांसों